Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've found the best way to draw like a shield, a diamond, and a concave shape like this. And I've done videos probably on all three of them, but never all three of them at one time. I thought it would be very helpful. So on the shield, you just take an ellipse, doesn't matter really what size, and then make a duplicate of that ellipse and kind of just move it over to about there. And then group that together, Control G, Control D. And then when you move it down, you can see the shape forming right there. And you can get any shape you want by moving them down further and make sure you're in the center and then holding down the control button and then use your Smart Fill tool to fill in that shape. And you have a shield. And then you can do anything you want to with it. Left click, right click, make the outline thicker. I'm working on somebody else's file. And then take that object and go convert the outline to an object, and then left click, right click, and you have two outlines of that shield. Then the second one is what I call a diamond, and I worked on this for years. And at first I would take a three-sided polygon and make a shape like that, and then Control D and mirror it, and then flip it, and there's your diamond in the middle. And then after I made that video, somebody commented that it makes so much sense. Grab your polygon tool and make it a four-sided polygon, and do not hold down the control button, and you can make your diamond whatever shape you want. And then the third one I just did the other day to make this shape. You want to make a circle, but see it says 1582. It might be rounded off, so I'm going to make this one 15. And my ratio was locked, so it made it 15 even. And then you could go and change your nudge distance to 15. And you can Control D and make a duplicate. Grab both those, Control D and make a duplicate. And then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you have that shape. So think about the next time you're trying to draw something, think about it another way. That's a pretty unique shape. The shield is used a lot in engraving. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.